Ranking the best fishing fails moments.
Thought he got something. Went with the net. The net broke.
Jetzt schon kriegen aus zu dem Wichse. Jawohl. Nein, der Ketchup gebrochen. What the fuck? Oi, oi, oi.
Gave his phone as a gift. Not the only fish. Almost gone so soon.
If you love the video, like and subscribe.